Stock market today indexes edge higher, yields fall ahead of the Fed's favorite inflation gauge. Stocks ended Thursday slightly higher ahead of a key update on inflation. PCE for May will be published on Friday morning, providing new hints about when rate cuts may be coming. US stocks ended Thursday's trading session slightly higher as investors prepared to pore over new inflation data in the form of personal consumption expenditures for May, set to be published by the Commerce Department on Friday morning. Bond yields dipped ahead of the new data, with the 10-year Treasury yield falling about 2 basis points to 4.292. Fresh readings on Thursday hinted at a soft PCE report, with a second revision to first quarter GDP showing slightly higher growth than earlier figures, but still coming in sharply lower than the final quarters of 2023. Jobless claims were lower for the week but remained. Ultratech buys 23% stake in India Cements. Ultratech, the Aditya Birla Group cement maker and the country's largest, bought 76 million shares of India Cements as a non-controlling financial investment at up to Rs 267 a share, the acquirer said in customary filings Thursday morning. Ultratech bought the shares from billionaire investor Adhakisha Damai. His family members and his investment firms derive investments and derive trading and result. Viability gap funding set to boost offshore wind energy space. CRISIL, the government's outlay, announced on June 19, includes Rs 6,853 crore for the installation and commissioning of 1 GW of offshore wind energy projects of 500 MW each off the coast of Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. It also has Rs 600 crore for augmentation of 2 ports to meet the logistics requirements for offshore wind energy projects farms and encouraged copper demand to rise significantly with shift to cleaner energy sources. HCLC-MD Sharma. According to ICRA, the domestic refined copper demand growth is expected to remain healthy at 11% in FY25, outpacing the rate of global growth in copper demand, given the centre's thrust on infrastructure development and a gradual transition to renewable energy. Bengal Speaker seeks President Mamu's help in MLA's oath venue. The oath-taking venue dispute for Trinamool Congress MLAs intensifies, with Governor leaving for New Delhi, leaving the matter unresolved and the legislators protesting against the Raj Bhava oath directive. BJP starts early for assembly elections with plans to announce candidates early. Sources said the BJP is also looking to take some populist measures like it took in Haryana, where the BJP government revised the creamy layer limit of OBCs to 8 lakh from 6 lakh, raised backwards reservation in Group A and Group B jobs in the state to 27 from 15. Bolivia president feared lithium in U.S. crosshairs. Russia sees foreign interference in failed coup. Russia condemned the attempted military coup in Bolivia and warned against foreign interference in the South American country the U.S. had helped engineer the attempted coup in Bolivia. Russia's state news agency TASS quoted an expert as saying the claim comes as President Luis Arce had warned in March that Bolivia's vast lithium reserves were in the U.S. Southern Command's crosshairs. Watch the video to know more. China in a first, 2 former defense ministers to be tried for corruption, expelled from Communist Party. The Communist Party headed by 11 Hepig, has expelled the generals for alleged corruption and launched prosecution proceedings against them after investigations found that they indulged in corruption. Lithium, a clean energy solution with a dirty secret. Lithium is essential to saving the world from climate change, but will it destroy the environment in the process? Ironically, lithium extraction is just as associated with sharply negative environmental externalities as it is with clean and green energy initiatives. The communities where lithium is extracted are already suffering from dire health and ecological issues stemming from the extraction of the metal, but the lithium industry is just getting started to avoid devastation for such communities. Something about the lithium extraction. Bill Gates' energy usage doom is a bit dramatic. The doomsayers calling for panic over artificial intelligence's high energy use have gone a little too far, according to Bill Gates, who spoke in London about the topic. While the energy demands of AI systems are substantial, Gates argues that the benefits and efficiencies AI brings can outweigh these concerns. AI technologies, especially large language models and machine learning systems, require significant computational power and energy. However, Gates emphasizes that these technologies also have the potential to drive efficiencies and innovations. ET Graphics India's domestic aviation market is now third largest globally. India has recently overtaken Brazil and Indonesia to claim the position of the third largest domestic aviation market, as reported by aviation data analytics firm OAG. Indigo and Air India, collectively holding orders for more than 1,000 aircraft, dominate the market by securing 9 out of every 10 domestic seats in India at present. The United States and China maintain their positions as the top 2 aviation markets globally.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click on notification bell.